Good day, learners. I am Teacher Manilyn and welcome to Grade 5 class. Today, we are on our fourth quarter, Module 2, Lesson 2. In this lesson, you will learn about showing problem and solution ideas in writing a paragraph. At the end of this lesson, you will expected to write a paragraph showing problem and solution ideas. Use compound sentences to show problem-solution relation of ideas. Identify problem and solution in a sentence. Write a paragraph problem and solution relationship. Before we start our lesson, let me know if you have any idea about it. Are you ready? Alright! Listen carefully as I read the direction. Write P if the underlined clause shows the problem, or S if it is the solution. Write your answer on your paper. Number 1. The ice cream I bought in the grocery store melted, so I placed it in the freezer right away. If you answered S, you are right. Number 2. Mika is not feeling well, so she took her medicine. What is your answer? P is correct. Number 3. He returned his electric guitar, for he noticed it was damaged. And what is the answer? P is correct. Number 4. Mother woke up late in the morning, so her daughter helped her prepare their breakfast. The answer is S, correct. Number 5. My brother was crying with hunger, so I bought him food. What is your answer? S is correct. Today, class, I will tell you a short story. Listen carefully so that you can answer the questions that follow. One summer day, a grasshopper was hopping, playing and singing around in a field. An ant who was working very hard passed by with an ear of corn he was taking into the hill. "Why not come and play with me instead of working so hard under the hot sun?" said the grasshopper. "I am helping my mother to store food for the rainy season, and you should do the same," said the ant. "Why think about rainy season now? We have plenty of food," said the grasshopper. But the ant went on his way and kept on with his work. When the rainy season came, the grasshopper had no food and was hungry. Grasshopper watched every day while the ant ate corn and grain from the collection he had worked on all summer. Ant felt pity to Grasshopper and gave corn and grain for him to eat. Based from the story, who are the characters? Correct! The grasshopper and the ant. Where is the setting of the story? Great! In the field. What did the grasshopper and the ant go around the field? Yes, very good. The grasshopper hopping, playing and singing, while the ant was working very hard. What was the problem of the grasshopper? You're right. The grasshopper had no food and was hungry. How did the ant solve the problem of the grasshopper? Correct. Ant gave corn and grain for grasshopper to eat. Very good, learners. In the previous module, you learned that a compound sentence is a sentence with two independent clauses or parts that are combined using a coordinating conjunction to form a single sentence. If these parts are separated, they can stand on their own they have a complete meaning. A compound sentence can be used to show a problem and solution relationship of ideas using coordinating conjunctions. A problem and solution sentence is a sentence pattern where there is a concerning issue and remedy to the said issue. Study this sentence. Children suffer skin rashes during summer, so they need to avoid the sun. What happened? That's right. Children suffer skin rashes during summer. That is the problem. What did they do? They need to avoid the sun. That is the possible solution. Let's try another sentence. We bought halo-halo, for it was hot during the day. What is the problem? Yes, it was hot during the day. What is the solution? We bought halo-halo. What have you noticed from the given sentences? You will notice that the two sentences above are originally examples of compound sentences showing cause and effect relationship. The independent clause with single line is the problem, and the other clause with double line is the possible solution. In other words, the compound sentences above are examples of a problem-solution relationship. Let us try another sentence. The first sentence shows the problem. The students complain about not having quality time with their family during weekends. The second sentence shows solution. Teachers are banned from giving assignments every Friday. Now, let's join the simple sentences together. Teachers banned from giving assignments every Friday. For students complain about not having quality time with their family during weekends. The conjunction for shows the reason why teachers are banned in giving assignments every Friday. Other example, the air pollution in the city is worsening. That is the problem. A group of concerned citizens is launching a biking campaign. That is the solution. Now, let's put together these sentences. The air pollution in the city is worsening. So, a group of concerned citizens is launching a biking campaign. The conjunction so shows the consequence of trying to solve the problem of air pollution in the city. How do we join simple sentences together? To join simple sentences together, we use conjunctions for and so. Example, we left the party, for it was already getting late. What is the problem? Correct, it was already getting late. And what is the possible solution? Good job, we left the party. And what is the conjunction used to join the sentences together? Great, for. Remember, when writing a problem and solution paragraph, it is important to distinguish if you are focusing your discussion on the problem, solution, or both. In this way, you will be able to clearly state your main idea. To test your understanding about our lesson, let us try to do this activity. Direction. Combine the following problems and solution ideas to make compound sentences. Use proper coordinating conjunction. Good job, learners! And that is the end of our discussion. I hope you've learned a lot on our lesson. Thank you and goodbye!